3 mindful breaths. Let's begin by allowing your body to settle into a comfortable position, like water finding its natural level. You can close your eyes or let them rest slightly open with soft gaze, like a gazing into the horizon. Let your spine gently stray and allow your shoulders to release downward without effort. We will follow 3 natural breaths, no forcing anything, simply returning your awareness to what has always been moving within you. Begin with a slow, gentle inhale. Feel the air as it passes over your nostrils, cool and quiet, feeling first your chest, then your abdomen, like a valley slowing filling with morning mist. Notice the moment the inhale completes, a natural pause, a stillness at the peak before it effortlessly turns and flows back out. Observe the sensation as your body empties, returning to openness. Rest for a moment in that emptiness. Then gain, begin again. A long, slow inhale, riding the sensations inward, and a long, slow exhale, releasing all the way back to stillness. One more rest at the end of the exhale, and one final breath. Draw in gently and release completely. Nothing to hold, nothing to chase. Simply returning again and again to what is already here.